Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata, you need to remove or replace throttle body, or you need to remove the throttle body to clean it. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that guys. Now, having codes or bad throttle body doesn't mean it's a bad throttle body. It can be just a dirty throttle body. Make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain how you can probably try saving your throttle body instead of buying a new one. But even if you need to get one guys, we'll share the link where you can get a cheap body throttle body from for that Hyundai Sonata, and where we get all our tools and parts from as well. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Specifically guys, 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we'll be working on. Now let's explain what we have here removed. We have guys the air filter box and the engine computer removed because we need to actually put new transmission mount. You can see it is right here. You don't need to remove all that stuff guys, okay. The only thing that you will need to remove for the throttle body, okay, is that air intake duct. So two bolts, okay, usually with 10mm socket, you will need to go ahead and remove those. Just go ahead, do that. Alright, removing the second one now. Once you do that, you will be able to just to leave that air duct and pull it out of the air filter box. As I said, you don't need to remove the air filter box for that procedure guys. Alright, coming out. And just pull it out. Now, right here, if you pay attention, this is your throttle body. That's what it looks like guys on your Hyundai Sonata. Okay, now that throttle body actually is part of the cooling system as well. Okay, you have coolant lines that run through the throttle body, so you will need to do a few more things, otherwise you will not be just able to go ahead and pull that throttle body out. So we're draining the coolant guys. If you want to see how to safely and completely drain the coolant out of that system, how to flush the radiator, we have the video on the channel. It's called How to Drain Coolant on Hyundai Sonata. Check it out guys. Now while it's draining, okay, we can get ready and do a few more things for that throttle body. Here, okay, we can go ahead and remove that hose you can see, okay. With 10mm socket, get that hose clamp loose. That's what we're doing now. And we will be able to pull that hose out. Okay, perfect. Just go ahead and pull it out. Let's see if it's going to come out. Oh, okay, perfect, just like that. Now we have it disconnected from the air filter box, so that makes it even more convenient. The air filter box removal is super simple guys. It's on the channel. I'll definitely recommend to check it out if you want more room to work on your car. So that being said guys, okay, let's explain what we have specifically. Now you don't have to do what we will be doing, but I need more room to get the camera in, so we're going to remove the car battery guys. We have the car battery disconnected. Now on these modern vehicles it really matters which battery terminal you connect and disconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the engine computer, electrical system modules. That could be super expensive. We already have our disconnected, and we're going to get a 12mm socket, and we're going to remove the mount guys for the battery. You may have a different style mount depending on the year when it was built and all that stuff. So let's go ahead, get that bolt loose, perfect, and pull it out. Okay, great. Now we can grab that battery. Always use gloves when you work with batteries, coolants, anything like that, because you don't want that stuff to be on your hands guys. We'll go ahead, grab it, and we can safely, okay, just pull it out. Okay, great. Now you can see how much more room we have, okay, to work with things here. And even if you want more freedom now, you can simply disconnect a few more hoses and you can remove that hose out of the way all the way. So okay, that being said, now we can continue. So right here guys, you have 10, okay, let's see now which one we're going to do. We're going to do the wiring harness first. Okay, right here you have one clip that you press on bottom and top, press in on both sides and pull it out. Okay, perfect. Then you have 4 bolts with 10mm socket that you need to remove. Careful not to drop anything inside because that could be catastrophic, guys. Perfect, one is loose. Working on the second one now. Okay, almost coming out there as well. Then we have 2 more on top that we need to pre-loosen. Now you have to be careful when you get those tight, not to over tighten them, due to the fact that it goes in a plastic throttle, in a plastic intake manifold, and you don't want to strip the threads, guys. Okay, be extremely careful with caution doing everything, because many of the parts are plastic on modern vehicles, and if you don't apply the required torque, you can severely damage your vehicle. Perfect, one bolt is out. Working on another bolt here. That's the second one on the bottom. Removing that one now. Let me show you how long they are. Okay, those are your bolts. You can see I'm trying to focus a little bit here. Perfect, those are the bolts. Okay, another one comes out. Now we have the 2 on top. And then we should not forget to disconnect the 2 hoses, coolant hoses that go to the throttle body. We have, guys, complete videos how to rebuild the transmissions, take them apart, engines, so all that will be on our channel. We have so much information, guys. Alright, perfect. Now we grab that throttle body, pull it out, it will be stuck on a seal. Pull it up a little bit. Wow, look how dirty that, guys. That's terrible. So we'll have a video how to clean it on our channel as well, guys, how to clean throttle body. It's not very complicated. How to clean throttle body on Hyundai Sonata. Okay, that will be on our channel. Now we need to get pliers. We recommend to always use gloves as well. We'll need to disconnect the 2 hoses, coolant hoses there. You have the clamps that you need to pull towards the back. Perfect, one is out. Now let's do the other one before we start leaking coolant out. Okay, this one is right here. You need to install the hoses in the same angles later, okay? And now we are going to go ahead and pull the hoses out. Okay, we can actually, what we can do, we can get the pliers and probably get them loose a little bit. Okay, let me grab that quick. Okay, you can grab the hose, just careful. Let me extend them a little bit and see if, okay, I broke this one loose. Let me break the other one loose as well before we start leaking things out. Okay, perfect. Okay, and this one is coming out now. Check it out. We may leak a little bit of coolant. Be prepared. I'll lift it up, and now we have one more. Always use gloves, guys. And second one out, throttle body came out just like that. So that's how you guys remove the throttle body. Okay, you can see how terribly bad it is. Okay, it's just terrible, guys. So we have a video, okay, how to clean it. All that will be on the channel. If you need to buy one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.